Are you getting ready to do some live streaming through Streamlabs Melon app? Or are you going to be a guest with somebody who's using the Streamlabs Melon app? Then we're going to show you exactly how to get on without any kind of issues. Stay tuned. What's happening? It's Dale here at Live Streaming Tech, and if you happen to be hosting a live streaming broadcast through Streamlabs Melon app and you're inviting a guest, then today's video is for your guest. Let's get right to it. As a guest on Melon, you're going to get a link that you're going to go ahead and click. Now, as soon as you click that, it's going to ask you to give permissions for using the mic and the camera. You're going to want to, of course, allow it to do that so that way you can be able to get on as a guest. So I've got my link and I'm going to go ahead and click it. Okay, as a guest, you're going to want to go ahead and fill in your name, of course, up here. Take a look at audio input and video input. Make sure it's in the proper area. In the event that you need to change it out, so that way this little tachometer moves to your microphone, you're going to do that. It should be defaulted automatically. Video input, we drop down here and pick the appropriate video if it's not queued up here. Output would be, of course, what you're listening to. So we want to make sure that it's set over onto your headphones or your speakers, whatever it might be. And then resolution. Play around with the resolution once you get onto the actual broadcast. I recommend you do this 5 to 10 minutes in advance of doing the broadcast with the person hosting this. The rest of this, leave echo cancellation on. Auto adjust mic volume, leave that up to your host over to whether they need to have that or not. So let's go ahead and we're going to hit join. Once you click the join, you're going to be put into a waiting room until the host is ready to bring you on in. After that, it's all fun. You can be able to just kick back, relax, and enjoy yourself on the live broadcast. Hey, speaking of the Streamlabs Melon app, do you know how to use it? Well, we show you exactly how to do it over here inside this video. If you're already seeing that one, then I tell you what, take a look at this one. YouTube says you might enjoy it.